y'all, Ron here, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're at one of the most iconic spots here in Thailand, Danduan Seruak Floating Market. With this vibrant environment around me, I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to show you the benefits of using HDR video. Let's check this out. High dynamic range video enhances your footage by capturing a broader dynamic range. Think about the shadows, highlights and contrasts by capturing multiple exposures simultaneously and merging them into a single frame. High dynamic range video brings to you more vivid, truer to life images straight off the camera. Now, the big question, should you use HDR video? Well, that's a really subjective question for sure. But in my opinion, HDR video has become my go-to setting for everyday casual activity, such as today's activity at the floating market. Because I think HDR does such a great job to bring out those color tones and details and just great overall balanced exposure. Just as you saw when I was passing through the canal and the clouds were just popping. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think HDR For the second part of the tour, Mae Klong Train Market. This landmark is a photographer's heaven. It's probably one of the only spots in the world that you have hundreds of stores perched along a railway line where the train is coming just in a bit. Take a look at that. Oh my god. The train is coming. Right true. Ah. Hello. Wow. How cool is this? Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness. Super cool. Woo. And just like this, life goes back to normal. You can see all the stores are taking out their parasols, umbrellas and signboards. Amazing. Wow. Oh. Now, how is this for a spot? How cool is that? Huh? And now that the train have passed, let's carry on with the HDR test. This time around, at the train market. Alright, let's go. in and out of the canopy. How does the exposure look? Alright. Mae Klong Station, super iconic spot. If you're here in Thailand, I definitely recommend to check this out. It's probably one of the only places in the world. And that's it for today's video. I hope that you've enjoyed this little tour of Thailand. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of this style of video? Until then, stay safe, stay subscribed. I will see you in the next upload.